Tired of riding with outdated gear that puts your safety and communication at risk? In this video, we're revealing the top 5 best smart motorcycle helmets of 2025. And trust us, they're more than just helmets. We've done the research, tested the features, and broken down the pros and cons so you can ride smarter, safer, and more connected. From built-in cameras to Bluetooth intercoms and LED safety lighting, these helmets are game changers. Stick around to find out which one deserves a place on your head. If you're a touring rider who craves comfort and tech, the Shoei Neotec III is a smart choice. This premium modular helmet blends classic Shoei craftsmanship with modern connectivity, designed for serious road warriors. It supports seamless integration with Sena SRL3 mesh and Bluetooth communication systems, allowing hands-free calls, GPS audio, and group intercom. The IM Multiply shell offers superior impact protection, while its aerodynamic profile reduces wind noise significantly. Advantages include its ultra-quiet interior, plush liner, and ventilation system that keeps airflow balanced. Plus, it features a drop-down sun visor for riding and changing light. Disadvantages? It's on the heavier side due to the modular mechanism and may stretch your budget. Perfect for long-distance riders and touring enthusiasts, the Neotec III is built for comfort, safety, and smart functionality on the go. Why number 5? While it excels in comfort and build, the lack of fully integrated smart HUD features puts it behind more futuristic options. Still, it's a rock-solid, tech-ready touring helmet. If you're seeking a helmet that seamlessly integrates cutting-edge communication technology with premium audio, the Sena Stryker is a top contender. This full-face helmet combines mesh intercom and Bluetooth 5.0 capabilities, allowing for flexible rider-to-rider communication. Whether you're coordinating with a group or enjoying solo rides, the Stryker ensures you're always connected. A standout feature is the Sound by Harman Kardon system, delivering crystal-clear audio and voice communication. The helmet's composite fiberglass shell offers durability without compromising on weight, and the integrated LED taillight enhances visibility for added safety. Advantages include its advanced communication systems, superior audio quality, and safety features like the LED taillight. Disadvantages? The helmet's weight is slightly higher due to the integrated tech, and the price point may be a consideration for budget-conscious riders. Ideal for tech-savvy riders and touring enthusiasts, the Stryker offers a blend of connectivity, safety, and comfort. Why number 4? While it excels in communication and audio, it ranks just below others due to its weight and price considerations. For riders seeking a blend of comfort, safety, and smart integration, the Shoei GT-Air II stands out. This full-face helmet is designed with advanced aerodynamics and noise reduction technology, ensuring a smooth and quiet ride. The QSV2 internal sun shield offers optimal sun glare protection, while the CNS1 shield system provides a wide, distortion-free view and easy shield changes. Advantages include its superior ventilation system with 3 intake and 5 exhaust vents, and the 3D Max Dry System 2 interior, which is fully removable, washable, and adjustable. The helmet is also prepared for seamless integration with the Sena SRL2 communication system, allowing riders to stay connected on the go. Disadvantages? The communication system is sold separately, and the helmet's premium features come at a higher price point. Ideal for touring and sport touring riders who prioritize comfort and connectivity, the GT-Air II delivers on multiple fronts. Why number 3? While it excels in comfort and smart integration, the need for additional purchases for full functionality places it just below the top contenders. If you're seeking a budget-friendly helmet that doesn't compromise on safety or essential features, the GLX GX11 is a standout choice. This full-face helmet comes with a compact, aerodynamic DOT-approved shell, providing optimal impact protection whether you're commuting around the city or embarking on long-distance tours. One of the standout features is its 3D molded shield, offering a distortion-free view, ensuring you have a clear line of sight on the road. It also comes with both clear and tinted visors, making it adaptable to varying light conditions. The helmet's design focuses on ventilation, with multiple air intake and exhaust vents to keep you cool during extended rides. A removable breath guard reduces shield fogging, while the chin curtain helps minimize wind turbulence and noise. Additionally, the fully removable, washable, and replaceable microfiber inner lining keeps things hygienic without compromising comfort. Advantages: lightweight, excellent ventilation, dual visors, and affordable. Disadvantages: some users report sizing issues, so it's best to try it on before buying. Why number 2? While it offers great features at a low price, its lack of advanced smart functionality keeps it just below the top choice. The Livall MC1 Pro takes the top spot as the best smart motorcycle helmet of 2025, combining advanced tech with superior safety. Its carbon fiber shell is lightweight yet durable, meeting both ECE 22.06 and DOT standards for optimal protection. Equipped with a 1080p HD front-facing camera, it captures a 120 degrees field of view, allowing riders to record their journeys in high definition. Key features include a Bluetooth 5.1 intercom system, enabling communication with up to 5 riders within a 1.2 kilometers range, as well as hi-fi stereo speakers and a noise-canceling microphone for clear conversations. A standout feature is its fall detection system, sending an SOS alert with GPS coordinates in case of an accident. The helmet also has LED lighting that serves as a brake light for added visibility. Advantages: advanced smart features, enhanced safety, and clear communication. Disadvantages: slightly heavier and lacks extra storage. Why number 1? Its combination of safety, communication, and recording features makes it the ultimate smart helmet.